eBayers, it's Suzanne A. Wells. Thanks for coming back for another video. I wanted to give you a quick update on my premium content library as of July 17th, 2018. I have been adding to the library as promised over the last 2.5 months and just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what is in there in case you're curious and you wanted to give it a try. So we are talking about my premium content library where I have videos and other materials to help you with your eBay business. This is a subscription. So 2.5 months of content. What is in there so far? We've got a Disney collectibles tutorial. This is going to have several parts. So part 1 is 17 minutes long. Part 2 is 26 minutes long. Then I've got an anthropology tutorial that is also going to be a series. So we've got the first installment is 15 minutes long and the second part is 20 minutes long. I've also got a consumables tutorial that is going to be a series, so we'll be constantly adding to this one. The first one is 15 minutes long. The second episode is 26 minutes long. I've got a quick shipping hack for safer global delivery, something you've probably never heard of before. That's just a quick 6 minutes. And then a frequently asked question, how to figure out the size of clothing without a size tag. Quick 6-minute video on that one. 6 free ways to research unusual items for eBay. That's a 17-minute tutorial. And then another frequently asked question about eBay watchers. 7 important things every seller should know. That is a 20-minute tutorial. Then I've got a really good case study about why your eBay item may sell for less than the competition. And this is a case study showing 2 items side by side that sold for different prices, extremely different prices, and why that may be happening, so it will help you with your business. That is 26 minutes long. Then I've got a 19-minute video about which is better for an eBay business and SEO, 30-day listings or good till canceled. Also addressing should you do relist or sell similar. That is a 19-minute tutorial. Then I've got another series called Conquering Your eBay Fears. Part 1 of that is 9 minutes talking about using the eBay app in public to help you overcome your fears of that, because it's really important that you are okay picking up your phone and looking things up in public. It's a really important skill to have if you're a reseller. And then we've got Part 2 is about international shipping, how to overcome your fears about that, a 15-minute tutorial. Then a 9-minute tutorial on buying from outlet stores, the pros and cons of that. If you've thought about doing this, some good information on the pros and cons of that. Then we've got a 16-minute tutorial about a photo hack for making gallery images that help sell your items. And then we're getting into the by request ones. So Mary Jill and Christina both requested some deeper information on international shipping, exactly how to exclude or add specific countries. So that's a 16-minute video for them as well as others. And then a quick 8-minute video on how one thing you can do to help sell your item that helps with SEO. So very quick tip there. Then another one that's really popular, this one has had the most views of any video so far, downsizing tips, things not to sell. I know a lot of you out there are downsizing and wondering, what should I not bother with? So that's going to be a series. We've got 2 episodes going. The first one is 27 minutes, the second one is 25 minutes. And then we had a member Q&A for all those emails that come in that may not be enough of a question or a topic for a full video. I'm putting all of those together into a member Q&A every month. So the one for June was 31 minutes long. Then a 5-minute video on a quick tip for communicating better with your international customers. And now we've got some case studies where if you want your store critiqued, I will make a video, and you've got to be willing to step out in front of the group so that everyone can learn. But several of you have signed up for this. So we've got the first one was Cheryl, and hers was 37 minutes long, and then Shirley, and hers was 26 minutes long. So I will do those videos by request, and the case studies are very helpful to everyone because usually it's common mistakes that others may be making, so you can learn from your fellow sellers on that. And then another series I've started is 5 niche items of the month. These are items that you may not have heard of, keywords that you don't know, very helpful information to help you broaden your eBay horizons and increase your vocabulary and keyword skills for eBay. And that is 20 minutes long. This one is an experiment I did myself over 30 days on both of my eBay stores, and I explain how I increased my sales by 218% in 1 month doing this strategy. And so that's 24 minutes. Then a quick 5-minute video about how to find your eBay quarterly shipping supplies coupon. You may not even know you have this, but if you have a store, you get free supplies every quarter. So you need to know how to find that coupon and redeem it to get your free stuff. Finally, a keyword tip video, 12 minutes long. A frequently asked question, how to figure out what to call something when you don't know what to call something. Very common problem. How can you write keywords for something if you don't even know what it is? So I'll explain how to do that. So to summarize, 27 videos, which comes out to be 8.5 hours worth of content. So you could sit at your computer for an entire workday and learn all this stuff. Also, what do you get in the premium library? You get 12 new videos a month. So I send them out 3 at a time, once a week. Every single week you will get those. You have access to all the videos that are already made. So as we go along, this library will get bigger and bigger. Mini courses, such as I've explained the series and topics with multiple episodes. Materials, printables, videos made on request, unlimited email support, and no ads. So I am your personal eBay help desk in this group. You ask me a question, I will answer it. I will help you. I am here for you. I am a knowledgeable eBay seller that sells on eBay every day and has been for over 15 years. So I am here for you. This is only $20 a month. It is a subscription that you sign up for, but absolutely no commitment. You can try it for 1 month and never come back, and that's fine. I will not pressure you. I will not bother you. I just want you to come check it out because it's a lot of valuable information that will definitely help your eBay business. So I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek of the premium content library. Check out the link below to come on over and give it a try for a month, and I can't wait to see you there and start helping you with your eBay business. Thanks for watching and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.